Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a roasted red pepper pasta that's not only really delicious but is really easy on the pocket. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube, you guys. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support it, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So you can use whatever pasta that you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this fettuccine nest. I don't know if it's just me, but I just think this pasta is a lot more lighter and it's not as heavy and dense as the ones that you get in the regular box. And I went ahead and I put some salt in a pot of boiling water, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook the fettuccine between 7 and 8 minutes. And while the pasta is cooking, let's go ahead and make that sauce. So I have 16 ounces of roasted red pepper slices in a jar. So you're just gonna go ahead and pour out the liquid and set the peppers to the side, and don't worry, we'll get back to them in a minute. Because right now I'm gonna take 2 shallots, which is in the onion family, and trust me, these were so strong my eyes were watering as I was cutting them. And I'm just gonna take a knife and I'm gonna chop them up really good. Now in a pan over medium-low heat, I'm gonna go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And now I'm gonna add the chopped shallots and I'm gonna saute them for about 5 minutes, but don't walk away because you really don't want them to burn. And then after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of chopped garlic. And then you just wanna continue to saute them for another minute. You know, whether it's shallots or onions and garlic, those are my 2 favorite things I love to smell in my kitchen. So after you're done sauteing them, you just want to put them in the bowl. And I'm going to go over to my blender, or if you have a food processor, go ahead and add the shallots and the garlic in there, and also the drained roasted peppers. And then you just want to blend it up until everything is nice and smooth. Now once everything is blended, you want to take it and pour it back into the same pan that you sauteed the shallots and the garlic. And then you want to stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste just to make the sauce even more richer and delicious. Now you want to add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes just for a little heat. Then you want to bring it to a simmer for a minute. Then after a minute, you're going to add 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And at the end, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and this is what's really going to bring this sauce together. Now you know I have to top it off with some sea salt and black pepper just to make sure that it's seasoned perfectly. And I know you don't see it here, but I even added some more red pepper flakes because I wanted some more spice, but you know what, that's completely optional. So my fettuccine is done, and I'm going to drain it real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to the sauce. And you just want to take the tongs and just toss it around because you want to make sure that all that fettuccine is coated in all that delicious red pepper sauce. And we're pretty much done. Like I said in the beginning, this is going to be a really quick and fast recipe you can make during the week. And the red pepper sauce is creamy and so delicious. And of course I got to top it off with some shredded Parmesan cheese and some fresh basil. Now, if you love easy comfort food, you have to try this one. So I'm going to dive in and I'll see you guys next time. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Follow me on my new channel, April Time, here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.